High above, the golden groves of American lemons begin their journey. Skilled American hands meticulously harvest each perfect. Skilled harvesters meticulously gather the unique lemons destined for the drying process. The journey begins as fresh produce is transported to our facilities. Precision logistics ensure that delicate dried lemons arrive safely for processing. Here, the careful journey of dried yellow lemons begins. Precision machinery ensures each dried lemon starts its journey perfectly. The factory floor comes alive as the production process takes hold. Skilled hands meticulously sort each lemon, ensuring only the finest quality proceeds. Every lemon undergoes rigorous inspection, a testament to quality craftsmanship.
Send that one down.
Got it. This batch looks rough.
Yeah, pull the dark ones.
The rhythm of the line reflects years of experience and dedicated expertise. Precision and care define every step, from sorting to final preparation. Precision at every touch ensures only the finest dried lemons proceed. A keen eye detects the slightest imperfection, upholding our quality. Only perfect whole, shriveled yellow lemons are selected for our customers. This rigorous selection guarantees the superior quality of every dried lemon. Emerging pristine from the purified wash, the lemons are now ready for the next meticulous stage. Each dried yellow lemon undergoes a meticulous washing process, ensuring pristine quality. Skilled hands guide the process, ensuring every dried lemon is thoroughly cleaned. The distinct texture of the dried lemon rind ensures no residue remains. Gentle brushes begin their work, meticulously cleaning each lemon for purity. Every surface is gently scrubbed, ensuring the removal of all orchard dust. Automated precision ensures each lemon is spotless and prepared. Freshly washed, the dried yellow lemons begin their journey to transformation. Skilled American workers ensure every lemon meets exacting quality standards. Precision engineering ensures each dried lemon is sliced with perfect accuracy, revealing its unique inner structure. Each cut is a testament to the advanced technology, ensuring consistent quality and integrity. Each delicate slice lands gently, maintaining its integrity for optimal drying. Skilled American workers meticulously oversee the process, ensuring every slice meets the highest standards. Precision and consistency are key in preparing these exquisite dried lemons. Every slice is carefully positioned, ensuring optimal drying and quality. This meticulous arrangement is critical for efficient and uniform drying. Through their skilled hands, the foundation for premium dried lemons is carefully laid. Each tray represents a batch of premium dried lemons, ready for the next stage. Precision is key as skilled hands carefully arrange each lemon slice for optimal drying. Every adjustment ensures perfect air circulation, crucial for consistent quality. The visible internal segments promise the rich texture of the final dried fruit. Dedicated American workers uphold the highest standards throughout production. Precision is paramount as fresh lemon slices begin their journey towards perfect dehydration. The racks slide smoothly into the massive stainless steel chambers, where transformation begins. Skilled American workers ensure every rack is perfectly positioned for optimal drying. Sealing the chambers, the meticulous dehydration process now begins. Skilled hands meticulously program the precise conditions for optimal drying. The multi-hour cycle begins, ensuring consistent quality for every batch. Precision control guarantees the perfect texture and flavor of dried lemons. Inside specialized chambers, lemon slices begin their meticulous transformation. Hours pass and the transformation accelerates, concentrating the natural flavors. Precision and controlled airflow ensure every slice achieves perfect dryness. The meticulous process yields a product of consistent quality and concentrated flavor. From vibrant freshness to perfectly preserved, the journey concludes. Each batch consistently meets the highest standards for quality. The journey concludes, resulting in a premium, natural product. The precision of American craftsmanship ensures exceptional quality in every dried lemon slice. Within this silent, imposing hall, the delicate dehydration process unfolds with precision and control. Each luminous indicator signals the precise conditions within, ensuring optimal drying for every lemon. Across the vast hall, each unit contributes to the continuous production of premium dried yellow lemons. Through advanced technology and skilled oversight, the perfect dried yellow lemons are meticulously crafted. Precision guides each step, ensuring the perfect quality of our dried yellow lemons. A controlled environment ensures each batch cools perfectly, preserving peak quality. Each cooled slice undergoes a final inspection, a testament to our commitment to quality. Each perfectly dried lemon slice now begins its final journey, ensuring only the finest quality reaches you. Expert eyes meticulously scan each dried lemon slice, ensuring only the finest quality reaches consumers. Each slice undergoes rigorous scrutiny for texture, ensuring a consistently firm and desirable product. Every worker contributes to the unwavering commitment to superior product quality. This careful vigilance at every stage ensures unmatched quality in every package. Precision and care define the packaging journey of our dried yellow lemons. Automated systems ensure every bag receives the perfect, precise portion. This precise measurement guarantees consistency and quality in every package. Precision technology ensures each bag holds the perfect measure. Skilled American workers meticulously oversee every detail of production. From machine to market, quality is sealed in every package. Precision sealing ensures every bag of dried lemons is perfectly preserved, locking in freshness. Each bag is meticulously sealed, guaranteeing premium quality for every consumer. Skilled hands ensure every sealed package meets the highest quality standards. Precision robotics ensure each package of our quality dried lemons is handled with utmost care. Automated taping ensures secure packaging, ready for its journey. From careful harvest to secure packaging, our dried lemons are ready for global distribution.